How to make a Power Ranger's outfit. Become a Mighty Morphin Power Ranger for parties and Halloween. Steps. 1. Firstly, you need to make the helmet. Get an average everyday balloon and blow it up to a size just larger than your head. 2. Now cover the balloon in papier-mâché, leaving a hole in the middle for your eyes, visor. Cover the balloon in at least 4 layers and leave to dry overnight. 3. Once it is fully dried, cut the hole in the middle into the correct shape for the visor. Google an image for MMPR or Zyranger for more info. 4. Now you can paint your helmet in whatever color Power Ranger you want to be. Again, leave to dry and add more paint if needed. 5. Once fully dry, add detail with silver paint around the visor and add a silver mouth plate with molded lips. 6. Cut black netting and glue it in the hole in the middle of the helmet. This will finish your helmet. 7. Cut the helmet in half, make sure the half is front and back. Add magnets or velcro inside the edges of the helmet. 8. Sticking with the same color, find pants the same color and a long-sleeved t-shirt. 9. Get a white spandex head cover with neck to prevent your hair from getting caught between the helmet pieces. Alternatively, you can also purchase a white open-faced balaclava instead. 10. Use white fabric paint to draw 3 diamonds on the shirt, 1 diamond with even sides on the front center, 2 kite diamonds on the sides of the torso and the back. The longer sides must be on the back, and color them in white. Alternatively, you can sew or glue a white diamond out of a white cloth made out of the same material as the shirt onto the front and the 2 kite ones on the sides and back of the t-shirt. Make sure the kite diamonds have holes for the sleeves. 11. Put on a white belt with a morpher and a black holster for the morpher, white gloves with the matching color diamonds around the gauntlets, and white boots with the matching color diamonds around them, and your Power Ranger outfit should be complete. And if you don't have a morpher, take some cardboard and make one or order it. Tips. Make your own Ranger. Go beyond the original fashion and make your own Ranger costume. For a better quality costume, find a bodysuit or a matching color shirt and pants made of spandex. If you want to be a pink Ranger, you should add a skirt, pink with white edges. If you want to complete a costume, gather a pistol sword stick weapon, a white holster for the pistol sword stick weapon, the holster goes on the left hip, and a personal weapon, red, sword, black, axe gun, blue, a pair of tridents, yellow, daggers, and pink, bow and arrow. There are plenty of other Ranger series to choose from other than Mighty Morphin Zyranger. Many of them have much more elaborate costumes like Dino Thunder Abba Ranger or Space Mega Ranger. Some have simple ones that are easier to make, such as Zio Ranger and Samurai Shinkinger. If possible, try to find a one-piece suit so it will be the same shade of color for your top and bottom. The helmet may try to change shape once painted, so stuff the helmet with towels so it will keep the shape while the paint dries.